Hi, I'm Helen Jones from Llandudno. I'm a sculptor, installation artist who often works to site-specific sort of briefs and contexts. Well, I've actually been in the building before because I did the House of Helva 2 years ago. So I made a site-specific installation then up in the attic, which I found really inspiring, not only because it gave me a kind of story or a narrative to deconstruct for the work, but also to be in a creative environment with a number of other artists. So I think it's an incredibly exciting project. I completely believe in the democracy of art education and that everybody is an artist or can be an artist. A bit in the sort of spirit of Joseph Beuys, that every act is or can be an artistic act. For myself, I'm really interested in using the studio space, having a context within Llandudno area, which is specifically at the moment to do with connections with the chapel, but also to do with sort of narratives that are kind of personal to me, but also sort of to do with issues of faith and belief in society and maybe how that's actually changed in the past century. So I've got quite a lot of research to do. I'm really looking forward to using materials in this space and working alongside different types of artists and having creative dialogues with different kinds of artists.